Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So let's get right into it. My base is already finished. Everything's pretty much done. So I'm going to take this setting powder from Maybelline and just set it under my eyes just to catch any fallout. Next up, I'm going to use my Morphe X James Charles palette. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm going to take this palette. I'm going to use the hot pink shade in the palette. They don't have any names on this palette. So, but anyway, I'm going to pack that shade on my eyelid. Please start off with a creamy base and don't set it because the eyeshadows kind of pick up if you don't. So if you have a creamy base, it'll adhere to your eye better. Next up, I'm taking this small taper brush. I'll have everything listed down below in the description box for you guys. To further blend out that hot pink, I'm gonna take this like orangey, tangerine-y color to buff it out, and I'm also going to take an orange color to buff it out. And you just do like back and forth motions and try to blend it out as much as you can. You also want to do the same thing to your lower lash line. Your lower lash line doesn't have to be that dramatic. So start off with your concealer. Any concealer will do. Don't set it and just go right into your eyeshadow. This eye look is very self-explanatory and really easy. You're only using 3 eyeshadows. So I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all enjoy this, and I'll come back when it's time to do the rhinestones. Next up, I'm going to take my NYX eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to do a nice wing. It's not going to be super dramatic. It's your choice if you want it to be dramatic or not. The look is simple, but it's not, but it is. You know what I mean? So it's just your choice in how you want your eyeliner. Next up, I'm going to use my Duo Lash Adhesive. And then I just take my tweezers, the back of my tweezers, and put some lash glue on the back of my tweezers to pick up the rhinestones and then place them on my eye. And then kind of use my finger to dab them in. And now your crystals are on, and this is pretty much the look. Next up, I'm going to take my lashes from Your Lash Bar in the style Screwdriver. And I'm going to apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes, and then I'm going to apply my lashes. Next up, I'm going to take my MAC lip liner in the shade Cork, and I'm also going to take my NYX Lingerie lip gloss in the shade Honeymoon. I also added concealer to this lip just to kind of mute it a little more. You can keep yours a pinky nude, but I wanted mine to be a little more muted because the eyes were so hot. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you liked the look. It was really simple and easy, so I hope you guys could create it and like kind of follow my little steps. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see next. I know we all inside chilling, quarantining and stuff. Tell me what y'all want to see and I'll have that uploaded for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.